Okay, it still doesn't seem to be working. There's one more thing that we can try to do, which is clearing our caches. The idea behind caching is that it takes a lot of processing power in the computer or the server in order to perform certain actions. And the results of those actions can be saved so that the same processing doesn't have to happen every time the result is requested. So for example, on this page, we're looking at a blog entry. To produce this blog entry, Drupal has to go through numerous steps in order to generate this content. But Drupal saves the end result of all of that processing as a cached version, and that's what it displays by default until something changes in the content that will invalidate the cache and cause the content to be re-rendered. Most of the time, the caches get invalidated, which means they get cleared out when they need to. But occasionally something happens where the right cache doesn't get cleared, and you have to clear those caches manually. The way you can get to it is by going to Configuration, Development, and Performance, and clicking the Clear All Caches button. If you have Admin Toolbar installed, you can also hover over the icon here and flush all caches. With Admin Toolbar, we can be more granular about what we flush, but until you know what you're doing, just go ahead and flush all caches. That's exactly what happens when you click the Clear All Caches button here. Let's do that. My theory here is that our configuration around color box hasn't propagated properly, and we need to clear the caches in order to bring it into the blog entry. All right, now let's go back to our blog entry. So I'll click Content and our season. I'll scroll down to the bottom and click the image. And sure enough, our color box works this time. So much better.